Hi, how are you?
Yeah, I'm doing well, and you?
I'm good. Nice to see you again.
Yes, nice to
Uh,
see you.
yeah, I was like, have we spoken before? I can't remember, but I recognized your face. And
Oh, thank you.
you sent me your last video, didn't you?
Yes, yes, and did you enjoy it?
Yeah, I didn't, to be honest, I didn't watch the whole thing because I don't like watching myself on.
So I know that you are very busy.
No, it's not because I'm busy. Well, I am busy, but it's not because that. It's because I don't like seeing like my face on my screen.
Oh, great.
So I just like went on your channel and like I saw the video there, and then I looked at your channel. It was good. Your
Oh,
channel is very
okay. Thank you again for subscribing my channel.
Oh, that's okay, no problem. And how are you doing? Have you got any news? What are you up to?
Yeah, I have painted four pictures.
Oh, can I?
Yes. Oh, it is far away, but I try. Okay. Just
Okay,
hold 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 1 minute. Wait.
I'm excited.
And here it is. Wait. That is,
Oh, I like it. They're
it
climbing
is a
trees.
rustic scenery.
They're what?
Rustic, rural scenery.
Ah, a rural scene. Yeah, nice. I like the
And
trees.
someone is bringing the dates juice. That is really sweet.
Ah, lovely. Did you just paint it from your imagination, or did you see this?
Yeah, something is wandering in my brain, and something I could see in some day.
Okay.
And the next one is, yeah, this is a fair.
Oh, I love it's so colorful. I love the
Yes, it's a
colors.
fair, and it is a Ferris wheel.
Yeah. Oh, I love.
And he's me. I am bargaining something.
Oh, it's you. Oh yeah, I can see the hair. It's like curly. Oh, that's very nice. I like
and
that one.
and one thing is, it is a town, city.
Oh, I like the buildings. Yes, yeah, it's very good. You're very talented.
Yes, I learn it from my childhood, so that's why it takes time to become a at
Ah,
least level.
yeah,
and
yeah, yeah,
and the
for
last
sure.
one is, it is my favorite. That is football match.
Ooh, very detailed. I love all the little people in the background.
Yes, their audience,
So good. I
and
wish I could be
and you
like
can
that.
see my color.
Oh
This
yeah.
color and this color is matching, so I am this.
Oh, that's you.
Yes, that's me.
Are you good at playing foot? Do you like to play football in real life?
I love cricket as well as football, but I love
Oh,
cricket most.
yeah. Yeah, okay. I don't really play any sports, but cricket is actually quite popular in the UK. Well, in Scotland, I think,
Oh,
and in the UK. It's quite popular. I see people playing cricket
oh,
sometimes. Yeah.
and here also India cricket is a much popular in India also.
Okay. Yeah, I heard that. I heard that. My students have told me that before. Cricket is very popular. So
Oh, so it was really short, but it was really lovely to meet you.
it was really nice to see you again. And thank you for showing me your paintings. I love them.
Oh,
And yeah,
thank you. It's my
more.
pleasure.
Okay, nice to meet
Bye.
you. Nice
See you
to see
soon.
you again.
Take care.
Bye. Bye bye, you too.
Yeah.